So this video took a full 180 that I wasn't expecting at all. Almost all of the footage is corrupted due to my horrible camera setup. I planned on having a really awesome time lapse of me building the bike, instead I got 3 hours of a black screen.
Sweet.
And what I hate the most about it is I didn't realize it until editing this video, and it really
Pissed me off.
But here's what I managed to get anyway besides that. Hope you guys enjoy. Also, any weird frame skips or stuttering in the video is literally how bad it's corrupted. But of course not every clip got affected by it. It just seems to be fucking random. It's finally time to get this whole ride again. Oh, fuck. Alright, I got the majority of everything here. My fucked up painted exhaust, drive chain, the bike's drive chain. Seems to be my fucking, sprocket for my gas tank, which I believe I'm missing. Fucking old rusty wheel I need to clean up and maybe fix a little bit. The bike's old broken ass seat. The bike's old ripped, fucked up dirty bag. A few other seats, some inner tubes. Fucking seat pole shit. Bike's still fucking there. Tires there, and then my goddamn lists I apparently made like 2 years ago. So I am missing a gas tank, that's good to know. Then I need to even get this thing fucking moving. Tires, we can use the old tires, so we should be good. And spare parts I'm finding, there is, I believe, either the back or front. I might use it as the fucking front tire, possibly the back. Actually, I might definitely use it as the fucking back, so that way I can do some burnouts and kill that tire off. There's the rim there, and then everything I got out here. I also got some extra fun toys I'm fucking left here that I've been eating for a while. But that should be everything, and there's also a big fucking basket of tools there. I'm gonna grab probably some of the paint and some of the grease gloves out of. We're almost fucking at it. Got a rug, an old Christmas tree, and there's a fucking electric scooter there with the shot front wheel bearing we can also fuck with. But I think for now we're just gonna stick with the bike. I noticed on my old to-do list I put clean rims and realign back sprocket. Well, you don't need to realign back sprocket. I'm gonna fucking probably clean this motherfucker because last time I took it was mudding before the frame got shot and I had to get it welded. And then kind of got the frame welded and then just left it. I don't even think I'm throwing that bag back on the bike. I use it for a battery bag. It came with the bike. There's a shop in town that sells parts for motorized bikes. I'm gonna probably call them and see if they have any in stock, because if they do, that'd be amazing. I might even pick up a new tire, I don't know. But they're really overpriced. Like on eBay, or no, this is an Amazon listing, for $7 for the chain tensioner, which is cheap, but it works. He probably wants it for like 10, 15. But I mean, to pick it up in person and have it same day is probably better than ordering it and waiting a few days for it. And these tires on this bike in here, I took fucking mudding as well. But this was just an actual mountain bike. I took on some mountain trails and I never cleaned it up after I was done with it. All the lights should still work on it. I don't see why not. Let's see. Oh yeah. Alright, we got fucking everything loaded up. Got some ramps for my car I'm gonna be using later on. Got some fucking the old tools. Got the 2 tires that should hopefully be fine. And a fucking non-electric and electric pump. Thank you, goalie friend, for helping me get in this fucking shithole. But at least now, I don't think that's gonna fucking stop. Good fucking god, this thing at least doesn't smell like shit. Okay, main goal now is to fucking go to that shop I mentioned earlier. Because, yeah, I can order it, but yet ordering it is gonna take up to 2 weeks. And the shipping costs as much as it might as well be fucking me just going to pick it up. I have no idea how much this dude's gonna price me for like 3 things. I'm gonna get a gas tank, fucking new chain tensioner, and a new inner tube for the front of the bike, since that's fucked. Total cost for parts was around $65, just so you know. Don't you love when your brakes violently scream at you even though they're literally brand new? Buying it online, definitely cheaper, but I mean, hey, it fucking works. It's better than having to wait almost a week to get everything when I could just go pick it up the same day. And, believe it or not, I believe we are running fucking A1 on time. That actually isn't bad. So this was supposed to be the beginning of the time lapse where I basically talked about things I had to do, such as put the exhaust back on, put the gas tank on, mount the chains and reattach the master links for the chains on there, put the chain tensioner back on, put both tires with inner tubes in, test the tires, make sure they hold air, rehook up the CDI properly, and use some old gas. But since I can't really do that now that the time lapse is gone, I just like to pinpoint my girlfriend's temporary setup in the back, how she's literally using my old computer, my old crack, and my old snowball, my old keyboard from like 2017. Fucking back tires sprung a goddamn leak last second, so that's fun. the hardest tire to do, I gotta change the inner tube on. Let's go test it out. And some last minute doubts once again. The tire's holding air. For how long, I have no idea. Let's get some gas in her. I don't fucking know how it's gonna turn out. I don't want much. Fair chance that she might actually start. Once again, I'm having my doubts. New chain tension are good. Lost a bracket to the gas tank because the dude didn't actually give me a new tank, it seems. There's a dent in the side of the tank, which is cute. But it holds gas. It's not leaking anywhere. I did try putting some sealant on it. This exhaust is gonna burn because it's the wrong paint. Chain tension is good. Wheels decent. Ooh. It did not like that. Sure as hell smells like something's cooking now, I'll give it that. Damn, man. This thing just really does not want to start. So it turns out the gas I was using is actually older than the bike itself and lost all fucking flammability. Although in the second crank you can hear it actually rev for a second, but that's it. See this thing fire. Does not fucking idle. Oh, with enough fucking with the throttle cable and airflow adjustment shit, it's fucking idling. I'm noticing a lot of white smoke and shit coming out of it. You know, it does have a lot of oil. Oh shit, the bike is falling over. Also wired that back up. But last night with my tests off video, right, if it focuses, the exhaust came off and didn't break. You'd see some of the silver returning to it over time. That's leaking gas because the tank I bought off that dude, pure fucking garbage. But it works. That's the thing. The tensioner works. If none of this fucking worked, you know, be a waste of money. It is a waste of money now because that was overpriced as shit. But the oil, it definitely does have oil. I put enough two-stroke oil in the gas mixture for it to should be good. I do have a racing mix in it right now. I guess that's the best way to put it. But the head gasket on this thing is on its way out the fucking door. So it does leak oil, partially. Easy fucking peasy, dude. Idles like a fucking god. But yeah, you guys leave in the comments what you guys want me to do with this thing. In its current state, fuck, I could take this thing mudding. I am going to be replacing the back wheel at some point. There's kids coming. I can't really think of somewhere to go that I can redline this thing.